evening to you. I'm Tom Ziska. We're glad to have you with us. We begin with the wildfire in Walker County that has now burned more than 4,000 acres. Just moments ago, we learned that the fire is now 60% contained. Tonight, the Texas A&M Forest Service says all roads are now opened. Evacuations are lifted. Fox 26's Shelby Rose spoke with a family who just returned home after being forced out as the flames got closer.
Neighbors in the Cedar Ridge subdivision in Walker County are breathing a sigh of relief, unpacking their belongings after frantically leaving Friday night as the game preserve fire was getting close and fast.
They told us it was moving at a pace of a football field per minute.
Waller Paulus says she saw the fire from the distance earlier in the evening, keeping a close eye as she packed up, expecting the inevitable.
At just about the time we saw the red hot embers, we saw the cavalry coming down the road. And we said, okay, we got to get out.
And for the next day and a half, they waited. The fire getting bigger and bigger, wondering if their house was still standing.
Well, shocking, yeah, and unbelievable. A lot of us were saying, I cannot believe this is happening.
But the best news possible came Sunday morning, and all clear for them to go back home.
We have a group text thread here, and we were all like, oh my gosh, let's go. We were just celebrating. We could hear each other from wherever we were, just yelling, yes, let's go. And we were burning rubber to get here.
And with these evacuations lifted, all roads like FM 247 here are back open to the public, but you can still clearly see the damage this fire left behind. Spots are still smoldering, and firefighters working continuously to put it all out.
But she knows the wildfire danger isn't over just yet, so they're staying prepared just in case. Reporting in Walker County, Shelby Rose, Fox 26 News.